Finally made it to Osaka, all the way from Tokyo. Just landed in Japan less than 24 hours ago, and starting my trip in Osaka. And so yeah, this is the train that I took right behind me. It's called the Shinkansen, and it goes, I think it goes like 320 kilometers per hour, which is roughly like 190 miles per hour. So that's pretty fast. It's very impressive. So it took me like less than 3 hours to get here from Tokyo to Osaka. And the weather is beautiful. Not as much humidity as Hong Kong. So that's a definite plus. Not sweating like a pig every 3 seconds. But it's super nice out today. Plans for today is check into my hotel and probably head out to Kyoto, which is like 10 minutes from here with the speed train, bullet train. And then at night I'm gonna go back to Osaka, check out the city, hopefully get some good Instagram shots in, get some good B-roll in. So until then, I'll see you guys very soon. By the way, let me show you what this train looks like. It's pretty cool. Yeah, that's about it, guys. So I'll talk to you in a bit. So right now, I'm walking through this cool little neighborhood in Kyoto. So here we are. We're finally at the temple. Look, got a closer look, as you can see right behind me. This thing's epic. I wonder how old it is. I'm gonna have to Google it later. But for now, I'm just gonna enjoy it in person. This place is packed with tourists, as expected. And of course, you got the locals here just chilling. This is an awesome place, man. I'm so happy I came to Kyoto. Kyoto. So we got a bunch of people dressed in like traditional clothing, which is pretty cool. Of course, we got a bunch of photographers. Everybody's here. The only thing missing is like samurais. That's about it. I'm gonna give you guys a better angle. Check that out. Man, this thing is epic. We got school kids here, we got families, tourists, souvenir shops. We got more stuff over here. I like it. Check out this temple I just found, guys. Check out this temple I just found, right behind me. How cool is that? Let me show you some more. Let me show you what's over here. Check this place out. This is so historical. I feel like I just got taken back 300 years. Look at this, right behind me. Wow, look at this. This is unbelievable. I'm blown away right now. Look at this. This is so cool. Anyways guys, so I'm gonna continue walking now. I'm gonna show you guys what the streets of Kyoto looks like, or look like. It's actually very nice outside. It's nice and windy. It's like 75 degrees. No humidity, or very little humidity. One more shot right there. Boom. So I'm gonna show you guys what the normal streets of Kyoto look like. Normal day in Kyoto right here. I'll show you guys real quick. Very cool stuff. I like how every street has like a little narrow alley. I like that about this place. Narrow alleyways. Just past the little gift shop. Let me show you guys some more. Check this out. That lady almost hit me with her bike. I gotta start paying attention. But right now I'm walking towards this famous temple. I forgot the name of it, but it has like it's got like the orange, I don't know how to describe it. It's basically, what's the best way I can describe it? I think it's like a shrine or something. It's very famous, like all over YouTube, all over Instagram. You'll see what it looks like. So right now, we're still walking the streets of Kyoto. Just want to show you guys these very cool narrow streets. So historical, so old, yet so modern at the same time. I've noticed there's not that many people. Obviously, we're not in the heart of the city. We're not in the center, but I expected there would be more people here in the outskirts of Kyoto, but it's actually pretty nice. It's nice and calm. So I'm still walking the streets of Kyoto right here. So I was contemplating taking an Uber to the destination that I'm about to head to, but I figured why not just walk there and just embrace the city. You know, what better way to explore a brand new city that you've never been to than to walk? That's literally the best way to explore a city. I mean, look at this right here. You got small little details like this alley right here. You got these little shops over here, vending machines everywhere. I mean, sure, you'll see that for like a split second sitting in the car, but in my opinion, you know, it's just more memorable to walk and just experience it firsthand, just seeing it with your own eyes. I mean, look at this place. Got this little restaurant here. We got random cars going. Got random shops. This place is awesome, man. Across the street. And just like that, we made it. I think it's called Fushimi Inari. So right now, we're actually going this way. So I'm going to show you guys some epic stuff. But for now, enjoy the views. There's a lot of people here, a lot of tourists from all over the world. You got shops everywhere, as you can see. Souvenir shops, restaurants, everything's here. But I'm excited actually to see what I'm about to experience. So Sun is about to go down, so hopefully there's not that many people here. From what I hear is that this place is always jam-packed. Even when you show up at like 7 or 9 in the morning, it's still packed. So this must be one of the best spots to visit in Kyoto, if that's the case. Let me show you what's over here. Bam, that looks epic. Beautiful day, man. This is a perfect day to be outside exploring the city. Not a single cloud in the sky. Wow, look at this. So many people there. Packed. This place is packed. YouTube, baby, let's go. Man, this place is packed. Got someone cooking food over here. Oh, the hot dogs, you got everything here, man. My man over here cooking it. He's cooking it up with. Oh my god, this place is amazing. How many stores there are. Look how many markets. People selling oranges. Yeah, I feel like I'm in heaven. You literally have everything you could possibly ask for. Wow, look at this right here. This is what I've been waiting for. Wow. That is amazing. Look how good the food is here. Look at that. That looks really good. Maybe we should try some. Oh, this looks banging. I think that's octopus. We are officially inside the shrine. And this place just keeps on getting better and better. Look at this place. Man, this place keeps getting better and better. I just can't believe what I'm witnessing right now. Look at this. And this place is breathtaking. I don't even have any words right now. I'm completely speechless. Wow, I'm completely speechless. Man. Look at this place. Wow, man. This is unbelievable. So I've been walking for about half an hour now. Check out this place, what it looks like from above.